Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Dinia Anugrah and
I am Ridha Ekayani. So we are from English Literature Department from class 3C. We are gonna make some videos for these few weeks about an easy way to do a TOEFL test.
And anyway, these videos are mixed for midterm assignments in advanced listening and that our lecturer gave us, Mr. Ervan. So maybe without any further ado, let's learn with us!
Alright, so let's just get started with the lesson. So, the listening section in the TOEFL test usually consists of 50 questions, although some tests maybe have longer. You will listen to recorded material and respond to multiple choice questions about the material. You must listen carefully because you will hear the recording one time only, and the material on the recording is not written in your textbook. So what's written in your textbook is the multiple choices only. And the listening section also has 3 parts, part A, B, and C. Part A is short dialogue, part B is long conversations, and part C is talks. But first of all, we are gonna explain about short dialogue first. So what is short dialogues in listening section of TOEFL test? So it is 2-line dialogues between 2 speakers, only 2, each followed by a multiple choice question. You will listen to each short dialogue and question on the recording and then choose the best answer to each question from the 4 choices in your textbook. The 13 short dialogues and 13 questions about them make up part A of the paper TOEFL test. Now, we are gonna go to the first skill on the listening section. Alright, so we're gonna get going to the first strategy. So the first strategy or first skill is to focus on the last line. The short dialogues involve conversation between 2 people, each followed by a question. It is important to understand that the answer to this type of question is most often, but not always, found in the last line of the conversation. For the example, if in the recording you hear that the first speaker, or let's just say the man, says, "Billy really made a big mistake this time," then the second speaker, or let's just say the woman, replies, "Yes, he forgot to turn in his digit paper." Then the narrator will ask, "What does the woman say about Billy?" And then you will read 4 multiple choices. For example, the A, "It was the first time he made a mistake." B, "He forgot to write his paper." C, "He turned in the paper in the wrong place." And D, "He didn't remember to submit his assignment." The correct answer is D, "He didn't remember to submit his assignment." So why D is the correct answer? Like I said before, let's just focus on the last line. The last line is, "He forgot to turn in his research paper." Forgot is the same as didn't remember. Turn in is the same as submit. Research paper is the same as assignment. So the answer is D. Then I have some tips for this strategy. First, the last line of the dialogues probably contains the answer to the question. Second, listen to the first line of the dialogue. If you understand it, then that's good. But if you don't understand it, don't worry because it probably does not contain the answer. The last one, be ready to focus on the last line of the dialogue because it probably contains the answer. Repeat the last line in your mind as you read through the answer in the text.
Hello, this is Zidni, and now it's my turn to explain about the second skill, which is choose answers with synonyms. But before we're going to example, I'd like to tell you guys what is the synonyms mean. So, synonym means words with similar meanings but different sounds. For example, is these 2 sentences: Zidni has to do her homework. And then the second sentence is Zidni has to do her assignment. So assignment and homework have a similar meaning but different words, right? And then this is we're going to next to the example. We have woman, man, and narrator here. So the conversation, yeah, just two speakers here. And then what we are gonna do is we have to focus on the second speaker, because usually the question or the narrator will asking about what the second speaker do or what the second speaker said. And here we have a woman and man conversation, just two sentences. Yeah, first woman and then the second is man. Why is Barbara feeling so happy? The woman asks to the man, and then she just started working in a real estate agency. So Barbara probably just started to working again, and then probably she already find her job. So what is the question? The question is, what does the man say about Barbara? We have several answers here. The question A is, she always liked her work in real estate. Is that the right answer? Was the man say that Barbara liked her work? Not yet, because the man just give the information that Barbara started working in the real estate agency. The man didn't, what is it, gave statement that Barbara liked her work there. So the question, the answer A probably wrong. And then B, she began a new job. Began is similar to or synonym to started. Job similar to working. C and D have a similarity, guys. So we have to forget about C and D, because C and D have a similar meaning. That Barbara just both the agency, but she worked there. So B is the right answer.
Alright, so we are gonna move on to the third strategy or the third skill. So the third strategy is to avoid similar sounds. So why do we need to avoid similar sounds when answering this listening test? It is because often the incorrect answers in the short dialogues are answers that contain words with similar sounds but very different meanings from what you hear on the recording. You should definitely avoid this answer. For example, if the first speaker of the man says, "Why couldn't Mark come with us?" Then the second speaker or the woman say, "He was searching for a new apartment." Then the narrator will ask, "What does the woman say about Mark?" Then we have some choices. A, he was in the department office. B, he was looking for a place to live. C, he was working on his research project. And D, he had an appointment at church. So the correct answer is B, he was looking for a place to live. Why not A? Because A has department word. Department similar with the word apartment that the woman says. Then C is also incorrect because the woman says he was searching, while the C, he was working on his research. So both of them have the word search in them. And then D is also incorrect because it says that he had an appointment. Meanwhile, the woman says he was searching for a new apartment. Apartment and appointment are similar. I also have some tips to avoid these similar sounds. First, identify the key words in the last line of the dialogue. The second, identify words in the answers that contain similar sounds and do not choose these answers that are similar. Then we have another example. The first speaker or the woman say, "I heard that Sally just moved into a new big house near the beach." Then the man say, "But Sally doesn't have a cent." The narrator asks, "What does the man mean?" So the correct answer, definitely Sally has no money. C. The answer is C. Because A has no sense of responsibility, has the word sense that's similar to send that the man says. Then Sally send also similar to send. Then the D Sally is on set is also similar to send.
And now we can move to the skill 4. We have who, what, and where. So draw conclusions about who, what, and where. So we know that, yeah guys, who, what, and where is part of WH question, but we just learn here about who, what, and where. Just who, what, and where. Who is for the person, what is for something to do, like what just happened, and then where is for the place. So the first example is we have who, yeah guys. We're going to learn who first. Okay, here you go. On the recording you hear, we have woman and man. Okay, a woman asks to a man, can you tell me what assignments I missed when I was absent for your class? Okay, probably this is in the class or maybe in the like a teacher office, yeah. Man, you missed one homework assignment and a quiz. Narrator, who is the man? So this is talk about who is the person, yeah, who is the man, or maybe what is the man job. And then we have four answers. A newspaper editor. No, yeah guys, because we have class here. Class is the place is usually a student and teacher go, not a newspaper editor. So A is the wrong answer. And then B, a police officer. A police officer also wrong, yeah guys, because stay in the police office, not in the class. And then a teacher. A teacher can good, yeah guys, because it's in the class and then homework and then quiz. And then the man also tell the woman that she missed the homework and a quiz, that probably the quiz and homework here is from his like subject. So the woman missed the assignment from his subject, you guys. Now what, yeah guys, what is talking about what happening, or yeah, what happened, what probably happened. Okay, on the recording you hear woman first asking to the man, are you going to read those books here in the library? Okay, the place in the library, and then probably the man and woman is the like classmates, yeah guys, in the school. And then man, I think I'd rather check them out now and take them home. Okay, narrator, what will the man probably do next? Okay, what will man do next, you guys? What will he going after this conversation? Okay, we have several answers. A, sit down in the library. B, look for some more books. C, return the books to the shelves. D, go to the circulation decks. Okay, A, sit down in the library. No, yeah guys, because the man didn't like give the information, or maybe say that he wants to just sit in the library, but he wants to like borrow the book and then take them home, you guys. And then B, look for some more books. No, because he already found the book, and then he wants to borrow it. And then C, return the books to the shelves. Not return, but he borrowed it. So the D, go to the circulation decks. Circulation decks is the place like side of the library that when we go there, we can like borrow the books to the person there, or the staff in the library, and then we can go back home and then read the books, and then after that we can go back to the library and return the book. So the D is the right answer, because the man here wants to borrow the books, so he need to go to the circulation decks. And then we have here third example, yeah guys. On the recording you hear, woman and man, are you going into the water, or are you just going into lie there on the sand? Okay, lie there on the sand. Indonesia, it's like berbaring ya di pasir. Lie there on the sand. Sand, pasir. Sand, probably in the beach, ya guys. Beach pantai. And then, the man. I think I need to put on some suntan lotion. Suntan lotion is similar to sunscreen, ya guys. When we go to the beach, we need to like apply for suntan lotion because we don't want to make our skin burn, you guys, from the sunburn. And then in your textbook or on the computer screen you read, okay, narrator here, the question, where does this conversation probably take place? So we have here the where, yeah, the where question. We already fill up the fill up the who, and then we also already have where, what, and then we right now have where. So what does this conversation probably take place? We have water, and then we have sand here, yeah. The line, the word that have a line below, water, sand, and then suntan lotion. When we have water, sand, and suntan lotion, it probably maybe a pool or maybe a beach. We don't know yet, yeah guys. This is the answer at the beauty salon. Suntan lotion and water might be in the salon, you guys, but we have sand here. We can find a sand in the beauty salon. Maybe we can find it, but maybe it's just a furniture, guys. So A, probably wrong. Then B, at the beach. At the beach, we have water, we have sand that we lay on, and then suntan lotion. So the beach is the right answer.
Well, maybe that's all the video for this week. See you later in the next video.
Bye bye.